Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the PDF, now act. Open it in a reliable reader because printing behavior differs between apps. Once open, press Ctrl+P or Command+P to call the print dialog. This starts the process. Make sure the correct printer is selected in the device menu and glance at status messages that say ready or online. If you see offline, switch to another printer or reconnect the cable. You're initiating the job now. Small checks here prevent wasted paper and time. Once done selecting the printer, configure options that control output. Choose specific pages or ranges so you don't print unnecessary pages. Type 1-3 or 135. Next, set orientation and scaling. Fit to printable area versus actual size. Scaling avoids clipped margins. Pick color or black and white and enable duplex if you want double-sided printing. This saves paper. Finally, select paper size and print quality. Draft for speed. Now send the job. Click print and watch the queue to confirm your task reached the printer. If the job stalls, open the printer queue, pause and resume, or cancel and reprint. Transient errors often clear this way. If problems persist, check physical connections and Wi-Fi, restart both printer and your computer, or restart the print spooler service. Export the PDF again from the source app as a fresh file, then reprint. This final step usually solves formatting or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.